Hey everyone, I'm Dinesh Wadhwani, CEO and founder of ThinkLite Air. I'm excited to see you all in person at the Business Growth Strategies event coming up soon here in Chicago, and I'm excited to meet every single one of you. We are going to talk about in detail about how you can boost revenue to your business and leverage the importance of indoor air quality and indoor air safety for your business. If you think about it, 80% of the time people get sick or get affected in a space due to lack of hygiene is because of something airborne. So how can we say we are cleaning for health or cleaning for safety by just focusing on surfaces? It's been a challenge to address the air side of things because there hasn't been the right technology, or people usually believe it's a problem for the HVAC industry. But we believe it is an opportunity for the cleaning industry. And we have cracked the code of how to make it an easy add-on, very user-friendly way to grow your business by adding this other dimension to your cleaning world. So come learn all about it. We're excited to share it with you in detail, and I'm sure you're going to have some very key takeaways and meaningful takeaways from the sessions. Stay well and speak soon.